Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about save attachments activity and save mail message activity. So let's go to the Uipath and we'll see that how to save email attachment. So here I'm opening Uipath Studio. You can see the screen. Now I'm creating a workflow for that. So firstly, I'm taking get secure credential. We have discussed in the previous video. You can watch that. And here I'm providing Robo2, and after that I'm saving the password here. Control K, password, and the username. Control K, name. I have get the credential from Windows Credential Manager. Now I'm taking here the activity is get emails activity. Get IMAP mail activity. So here I'm providing the port number 993 and the server name is imap.gmail.com, and the emails I'm providing the email is username, and the password in the secure password I'm providing the password that is saved in the above activities. So after that, here I'm writing, taking the output Control K, mail list. Okay, and after that, here I'm taking only two mails and only 100 emails. So now using this activity, we have saved the emails. Now I'm getting the another activity, that is a for each activity. In that activity, I'm providing here the mail list, and the body section I'm taking the activity assign activity. Assign activity. So in assign activity, you can get all the emails details like sender name and the uh, subject line, body, whatever you want, you can get the details from here. So here I'm only saving the subject. So I'm creating the variable Control K, sender name, subject name, SUV subject. In the subject, I'm writing here the current dot subject. So now the subject is stored in the subject variable. Okay, and after that, here I'm taking the, if you want to print that subject, you can use here the message box activity, and if you want to write the log in the output panel, so you can use the write line activity. So if you want to get the pop-up, then you can use the message box. If you want to see the output in the output panel, then you can use the write line activity. So if I'm using the write line activity, so here I'm providing the subject, and the subject, this subject can retain the output panel here. Okay, so message box I have delete here. I'm writing in the right, right line, and after that I'm using the here activity is save attachment that we today learn. Save attachment. So save attachment, here you need to provide the mail message, so that is a current item stored in the current item variable, and here you can provide the path. Okay, so I'm copy the path from the folder. So I want to download the attachment in this folder, download APC folder. Okay, so go to the Uipath, and here I'm writing this path. Okay, Control S, and where I'm getting the these details from, so I will show you the mail. So you can see here the in the inbox, one email is automation testing. In the automation testing, I have attached one the attachment, that is an image. If you can add here the any attachment and send the mail. So I'm getting these mail details and save the attachment. So now I'm going to UiPath. Our workflow is ready. We can save this flow and run this flow and see the output. You can see process is done. Now we can check the attachment. Both has saved the attachment or not. So now I'm going to the path. You can see attachment is saved here. If you go to the emails, and you can see here, this is the attachment that we saved in this folder. And I will show you one thing, another thing, that is the right line activity. So go to the output panel and you can see here the automation testing is a subject line. So this is I'm writing here. Okay. So now we have seen the how to save the attachment from the emails. Now we have seen another activity, that is a save mail save mail message activity. Okay. So here we need to provide the mail that is comes from the current item. Okay. We have get in the get imp mail message. So that we provide here, and after that you need to provide the path. So here I'm providing the path. So directly I'm pasting here the control V, and the save this file with subject name. So plus, you can write plus subject plus dot eml bracket, control S. Now we can run this flow and we'll see the output again. So now you can see process is completed. Now you can check the output folder. You can see here. So this is saved, but showing the alert security. So if you install the Outlook, then you can open this email. Why is not saved with the subject line? It's need to be. So you can firstly check with the. Okay. So here subject is the Raju. These ideas are not. That's why it's showing the two uh, two files here with the security alert. The Raju. These ideas are show you. So if you can see the output panel, there is two subject lines showing here. So both subject with the save the attachment. Okay. So that's it for today. If you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.